everyone, welcome to Niko's Story Factory. Today, we're going to talk about Chinese people's verbal communication. Language is a tool for communication. It reflects the culture of a country or region. Chinese language is no exception. Chinese people used to call each other 同志, comrades, a form of address which is barely heard today. Over the recent decades, 女士, madam, and 先生, sir, have been used more often to address an elder person who is not a relative. Chinese people may use 伯伯, father's elder brother, or 叔叔, father's younger brother, or 阿姨, mother's sister, etc. Different from that in English, in Chinese, one can also be addressed as 老师, teacher, 经理, manager, or 医生, doctor, together with a surname such as 张老师 or 王经理. When exchange greetings, Chinese people think it is sincere to ask some personal questions concerning one's age, marriage, or family. They also tend to express their concern for someone by asking such questions as 你去哪儿? Where are you going? And 你在做什么? What are you doing? When a guest is leaving, a Chinese host will escort him or her outside the gate or even to the street. The guest will say 请留步, meaning don't bother to go any further. And the host is supposed to say 走好, meaning watch your step, or 慢走, take your time, or 再来啊, meaning please come back again, etc. When being praised, a Chinese person often shows modesty by saying 哪里哪里, or 您过奖了, meaning you are flattering me, or I don't really deserve the compliment. Generally speaking, Chinese people seldom say 谢谢, which means thank you, to their relatives or friends. Otherwise, both parties would feel uncomfortable with the emotional distance. If you want to learn Chinese well, it is necessary for you to learn about the culture of verbal communication embodied in the Chinese language. Thank you for listening to Niko's Story Factory. I hope you liked the story today.